In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to set withdrawal date on Piggyvest. So basically, I don't know what particular savings you want to use, because on the savings option right there are different savings. We have safelock, piggybank, automatically daily, weekly or monthly savings, and there's a new goal, and you can see house money as well. So on any particular savings you want to use, so let's say piggybank savings, for example. So right here you can see quick save. So if you want to use the quick save option, just click on quick save, then put the amount you wanna save. Let's say 5,000 naira. Then you can use any funding source you wanna use. So you can see quick save, for example. Let me click on that. So it's gonna ask me for quick save. So for you to be able to do that, just click on verify. But I don't have enough money inside this account, so transfer error, of course, that is expected. So later, so then once you quick save, you're gonna see your money right there. So for you to be able to withdraw, you can see next withdrawal 31st March, March 2024. So it's automatically. So once you see this right here, you can see set a new date. You can also set a new date for yourself, depends on when. You can see set withdrawal date. Once you set a withdrawal day, you won't be able to change it again until the next Piggyvest regular free withdrawal day. So you can see it's a day. So reason for this withdrawal day optional. So you can also set maybe tomorrow or something like that. So there is a regular free regular day, a regular day for a withdrawal. So it depends on when exactly you save money on this platform. But then you can set a withdrawal day, which of course is gonna work for you. So just choose a new withdrawal day, but the automatic day that they provided is 31st of March 2024, as you can see right there. So that is how you can set a withdrawal date on Piggyvest.